Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Tutor Master 5, Tutor Master 1 BD. Viewers, today my topic is best email marketing software. Business owners are constantly trying to improve their marketing efforts. Email marketing remains a powerful marketing tool with a return on investment of 42 to every $1 spent in order to harness the power of email marketing. It's important to choose the right software that can take your marketing to the next level. Email marketing software is so much more than just a way to send the track email tools to increase your audience, segment your list, and combine all your marketing channel turn to the software into a powerful solution to grow your business and earn more revenue. We tested the most popular email marketing software on the market and considered price, ease of use, functionality, and more to give you the best option depending on what you need. The 6 best email marketing software of 2022. Best overall mailing claim, best of automation, achieve campaign, is this used Merrill Light, best all-in-one marketing suite, HubSpot, best affordable option, Musin, best for e-commerce drift. Okay. Viewers, I discuss a best email marketing software in 2022.